for this morning's assembly. Let us start 9th February 2024's assembly with a positive and enriching thought by Chaitra of 5th standard.
Every day is a change to learn something new. I repeat, every day is a change to learn something new.
Now it's time for prayer. I request my friend to pray. Time for national song. Let us all together sing our national song. Pledge is a way to show our love and respect towards nation. I request Hasni of 5th standard to lead us with the pledge. Now it's time for ISKCON designers activities. Science experiment activity by 3rd standard students.
Let me introduce myself. I am in Tejaswini of 3rd standard in Vijan English Medium School.
Good morning everyone. My name is Manasvi. I am studying 3rd standard in Vijan English Medium School.
The egg will sink in the fresh water because it had greater than density of the egg.
Here they did one experiment. First they have taken fresh water in one glass and salt water in another glass. After that they took 2 eggs. One egg they dropped in this water, normal water glass. So what happened to the egg? It sank into the water, right? Next, here in salt water, if you observe, it doesn't sink. So why? What is the reason behind that? They are going to explain that one.
The egg will sink in the fresh water because it had greater than density of the egg. ఒక గుడ్డు మంచి నీళ్ళల్లో వేస్తే మునుగుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే నీటి బరువు కంటే గుడ్డు బరువు ఎక్కువ.
The egg will float in the salt water. ఒక గుడ్డు ఉప్పు కలిపిన నీటిలో వేస్తే తేలుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఉప్పు కలిపిన నీటిలో వేస్తే గుడ్డు బరువు తక్కువ. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ మీ దిస్ గోల్డెన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.
Very good, my dear students. Anyone wants to do any experiment, you can practice 2 or 3 times before doing the experiment. Before the day, you can practice. Then you won't be in confusion at the time of doing. So they did well. So if more practice is there, you will be confident first. Okay, that confidence is needed to do any experiment. Okay, and one more thing. So today I am going to announce results of third ECL for second and third standard. Before announcing the results, yesterday and last week Thursday, have conducted competition, quiz competition for second and third standard students on vegetables, fruits, occupations, and also sentences, daily use sentences. In that, one team, that is leading lines, they won the competition. They scored 11 marks, and I have added that score also in ECL marks. So after that, who will be the winner? Now I will announce. Before announcing that, first of all, that leading lines participants, yesterday's participants, quiz competition participants, come up onto the stage. Leading lines, fourth group, second and third standard, come up onto the stage. With a good score, and give them huge round of applause first. So they are going to take prize. For this, I would like to request second and third standard teachers onto the stage to present the prize to the winners. Give them huge round of applause. Congratulations, all of you. Wait here. So, wait. One thing I want to say about second and third standard students. Actually, yesterday I can give the prize, but I want to give prize in front of all the students to tell one thing. So I give sentences today, and daily I give sentences to you, right? But how many of you learning sentences? I don't know, because due to conducting these competitions, I didn't conduct any exam on sentences. So everyone, they are writing sentences in their book, but how many of you learning, how many of you using, I don't know. But yesterday, while conducting competition, I have seen not only leading lines, every team, they gave very good answers without any errors. That means without any mistake, no grammatical mistake. So Telugu and English sentences, both sentences they have said well. So for that, for all the second and third standard students, you have to give huge round of applause for them. So they are concentrating and they are learning, and even teachers also, they are taking much care on them, because those sentences, as per their level, they can't remember total sentence. But we'll upload the video, then you can watch the video. Every sentence they said without any mistakes. Good. ECL result for second and third standard. So, who won the trophy last time in second and third standard? It's that category. Who won the trophy? Second ECL. I'm going to announce from fourth position this time. Fourth position goes to Rising Rockets with 685 score. They scored 685. And third position goes to Terrific Tigers. Terrific Tigers, they scored 729, and they are in third position. And only two teams left, Pretty Peacocks and Leading Lines. Here one thing I want to say about these two teams. these results combinedly I have added second and third AB results combinedly I have added. So ECL and along with yesterday's competition bonus marks. So before adding bonus marks, actually Pretty Peacocks are in first position. After adding that bonus marks, leading lines went to first position with 736 score. Give them huge round of applause for leading lines. So competition also plays an important role to win the trophy. So I told you clearly, if for every ECL I conduct one competition, and that competition marks also as a bonus marks I add to the ECL marks. So with that bonus marks, leading lines team they won the trophy. Second and third standard leading lines team leaders come up onto the stage. Leading lines team leaders, second and third standard. I request leading lines team mentor onto the stage. I request second and third standard teachers onto the stage to present the trophy to the leading lines team. Give them huge round of applause for leading lines team members. Team going on well. So and one more important thing about science experiments list. So today I will collect the list. Already have given to your class teachers, I think. Have you given? So today you can give. Already I told you Thursday I will collect. Today Friday. So you can give the list. Then only, and you can start doing experiments at home. So there is no time, enough time. So you can complete at least 40 to 50% your project at home. So here, as per the schedule, as per the time, we'll give some time to you to do experiment here also under the supervision of teachers. But before that, you can start doing experiment. Collect some information about that. Okay. For explanation, if you have any doubts, teachers are available here. I will be available here. You can come and ask about the explanation, and we will give you how to explain that one. So first start doing the project. Okay, and one more important thing. So yesterday already Amar sir told you clearly about National Deworming Day. So okay, so first of all I want to tell what are worms, so how it will affect our stomach. Already yesterday sir told you clearly. For that, the main reason is food. Food, you have to take nutrient foods, then only you can get rid of those worms. So those are common, but we can lessen it, we can reduce it by taking some precautions about food, especially packaged food. If you avoid packaged food, so definitely I told you many times, so 50% of your health will be secured, no doubt in that. And remaining whatever you are going to eat, fruits, vegetables, that particular diet and those vitamins and proteins, those minerals helps us to keep our body strong and active throughout the day and without affecting any infections or diseases. So okay, so already say there's some wall posters also there about that. So in break time, just go through that one. So read once, every point you can read once, and you can keep it in your mind about your health. So I have seen many students, they are suffering from stomachache many times. main reason is before breakfast, some of the students they skip breakfast and they eat chips packets here. I asked them, what is your breakfast today? They don't know. They know only one thing. 5 rupees chips packet, sir. What is the chips packet name? Wheels, right? Wheels packet, right? I ate wheels, sir. So I thought that someone ate my bike wheels. So no, sir. They said chips packet name is wheels. So I have seen that particular chips sometimes very unhealthy. Really very unhealthy. So after buying that, backside on the wrapper they printed clearly ingredients. What ingredients means to make that product, what they use. So you can check that list once. Whenever you have free time like Sunday, just Google it. That particular ingredient name, you can Google it. Chemicals, harmful chemicals, their effects. You can get it in Telugu and English language also. Whatever the language it may be, Google will provide you. So you can just read that one, then you can understand how much harmful those packaged food creating to your health. So be careful with that. Try to lessen it first. You can't avoid it immediately. Weekly once. One packet, weekly once. Next month, for every 15 days, one packet. Next month, monthly once. Lessen it. So if you want to avoid it immediately, you can't. So if you lessen it like that, then gradually, what you have to eat. Many times, every teacher, they told in teacher's note also, what you have to eat, nutrient foods, especially fruits and sprouts, or else dry fruits. So ask your mother, they know everything, especially about this region, Rayalaseema region. Almost all the people, they eat very healthy food. That's why here people are very strong. But now this generation, new generation like you are not eating those food items, and you are completely depends upon packaged food. So change it, avoid junk food and packaged food. Okay, sure, will you do? Yes sir, for everything. So I will see this time. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. And now, is there anybody celebrating their birthdays today? Om Sai of third standard. Today Om Sai of third standard and Satyeshwari of LKG, they are going to celebrate their birthdays. Let us all together wish them.
Thank you, all of you. Thank you, all of you.
Today's teacher's note by respected Shivalata ma'am.
Good morning, my dear students. Good morning, teacher. How are you all? We are fine, teacher. What about you, sir? Fine, thank you. Today I want to tell about one quote. Never underestimate the power of small habits. అంటే స్మాల్ హ్యాబిట్స్ కదా అని తక్కువగా చూడకండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, మీ పేరెంట్స్ మీకు డైలీ 5 రూపీస్ 10 రూపీస్ ఇస్తారు కదా. 5 రూపీస్ ఫర్ సపోజ్ 5 రూపీస్ ఇస్తున్నారు అనుకుంటే 2 రూపీస్ సేవ్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? డైలీ 2 రూపీస్ సేవ్ చేస్తే మంత్కి ఎంత అవుతుంది? 30 డేస్ కదా మంత్కి. 30 into 2 60 రూపీస్ పర్ ఇయర్. 60 into ఇయర్కి హౌ మెనీ మంత్స్? 12. 12 6 72. సో 720 రూపీస్. అంటే 1 ఇయర్కి 720 రూపీస్ని మీరు సేవ్ చేస్తే, అంటే 1 ఇయర్కి 720 రూపీస్. ఒక 10 ఇయర్స్కి 720 rupees into 10. 7,200 rupees. అంటే స్మాల్ అమౌంట్ కదా అని మీరు నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకండి, ఓకేనా? అది స్మాల్ అయినా మిమ్మల్ని ఏం చేస్తుంది, మీకు ఏమన్నా ఎప్పుడైనా కావాలి అనుకో, డ్రెస్ ఆర్ సమ్ ఏమైనా ఐటమ్స్ కొనుక్కోవాలనుకుంటే మీ మనీని మీరే ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చు, యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా అప్పుడు. అలాగే అంటే ఇంకోటి నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డైలీ 3 యూసెస్ సెంటెన్సెస్ మనం అక్కడ బోర్డు మీద సార్ రాస్తున్నాడు కదా, డైలీ 3 సెంటెన్సెస్ నేర్చుకుంటే మంత్కి ఎన్ని నేర్చుకోవచ్చు మీరు? 90 per year. 90 into 12. 12 9 1080 sentences. 1080 sentences మీరు నేర్చుకోవచ్చు కదా. సో డైలీ 3 సెంటెన్స్ నేర్చుకుంటే మీరు అన్ని నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. సో మెనీ. సో 10 ఇయర్స్కి ఇంకా చాలా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు కదా. సో స్మాల్ థింగ్స్ని మీరు ఏం చేయాలా, నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకోకుండా ఏ రోజు టీచర్ ఏమైతే ఇచ్చిందో వాటిని మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలా, నేర్చుకోవాలి, ఓకేనా? పర్ డే 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ నేర్చుకున్నారనుకోండి, వీక్కి ఎన్ని అవుతాయి క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్? 14 క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్. మంత్కి 2 క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్. మంత్కి 30 డేస్ ఉంటాయి, 60 కదా. సో ఈజీగా మీరు ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా బాగా రాయొచ్చు కదా, అవునా లేదా? స్మాల్ హ్యాబిట్స్ని నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకండి. అవి స్మాల్ హ్యాబిట్స్ అయినా మీ లైఫ్ని చేంజ్ చేయడానికి ఎంతో యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్?
Now it's time for national anthem. Let us all together sing our national anthem.